Hey, what's going on, Eric? My name's Kyle with Millsap Digital Marketing here in Scottsdale. I wanted to reach out and make you a video that's going to bring you and your business more value. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can personally optimize your website and drive in more traffic. So I had some tips I'd like to share with you today. First, I want to start off. You guys are absolute rock stars in the Phoenix area at the moment. You are in the #1 spot, organically ranked when somebody searches for artificial lawns in Phoenix or artificial grass in Phoenix. You're in that organic #1 spot. And what I want to talk to you today about is location pages. So when I go to your service areas, I see that you service Scottsdale and Paradise Valley. And we both know there's some buku dollars out there, some big jobs to be had. So I would recommend that you would build out an individual page for each individual area. I'm going to show you an example. So when I type in artificial grass in Scottsdale, the #1 person is Arizona Luxury Lawns. So he's already located in Scottsdale. So what I want to show you is foreverlawn.com. This is a location page here. So this guy is based somewhere else, and he built a website, or he built up an individual page to rank in the Scottsdale area. And I recommend you do the same. And when you build out an individual location page for your service area, I would recommend that you put at least 1,500 words of content inside the page, because in Google's eyes, content's king. And the person with the most content, they're going to be the ones with most authority on the topic. And inside that content, it's very important that you have buyer intent keywords. And we use this tool called Ahrefs. Ahrefs, it's a paid tool. It buys data from Google, and one of the features it allows us to search for these keywords. So here I typed in Turf Phoenix, and this is just a small example of these keywords that should be inside that content. You have Scottsdale Artificial Turf being searched 50 times a month. Artificial Turf Scottsdale another 50 times a month. I have a few other examples highlighted, and there are different ways to look for these keywords. Artificial turf in Scottsdale, artificial grass in Scottsdale, so on and so forth. So keywords and content are very important. Now my next tip I'd like to go over is backlinks. And a backlink it's basically they're links throughout the web that when clicked on will bring the user back to your website. Backlinks are very important. It's essentially having a popularity contest, and the ones with the most backlinks wins. Google's looking at other sites that are pointing at you and vouching for you, basically saying, hey, they're really trustworthy and that they offer a great service. But not all backlinks are created equal. They want to see backlinks coming from, like, say, other lawn care websites or home improvement websites. So the more relevant, the better. Google, they don't want to see backlinks coming from, say, Pizza Hut, as well. You're not in the food company, so the more relevant, the better. Also, Ahrefs lets us check that. I just want to show you kind of what's going on behind the scenes of your website and how well you're doing at the moment. So this is your URL rating is 24. This is how powerful your website is. The domain rating of 12, and that's how trustworthy your website is. So you are bringing in 1,400 people through an organic search a month, probably a little more if you have Google Analytics. Right now, Google's finding you for 584 keywords. So you have 80 referring domains giving you a total of 300 backlinks. So you guys are doing excellent there. And it looks like you're putting on really, really quality backlinks. So I would keep that up. And I would keep it up too, because you're going to need to keep adding them in there to be able to get these location pages ranked. Now, my last tip for you is get to the #1 spot in the Google Map Pack, and that's this area here. So if I look up artificial grass in Phoenix, this is going to be the #1 competitor that you have to beat out. So if this guy has 200 citations, I would go out and get 250, 300 citations and take this #1 spot here. And all a citation is your business name, your business address, and your business phone number listed in directories throughout the web. Some examples of a directory would be Yelp, White Pages, Yellow Pages, Better Business Bureau. Even social media accounts are considered directories nowadays. So I hope this was helpful for you. Just a quick recap. You can corner your market. Build those location pages for each individual area. Put 1,500 words of content on there with those buyer intent keywords, specific for that area. Then go get all the backlinks your competition has and get them linking back to you. And finally, if you add your business name, your business address, and your business phone number, all spelled exactly the same all across the internet in more directories than your competition has, and take that #1 spot in the Google Map Pack. If you follow these 3 tips, you will corner the artificial lawn market, which you're already basically doing. So keep it up. So if you have any questions or you need any sort of help, you're more than welcome to reach out to us. Our phone number is 480-605-0508. Thanks for watching, Eric.